What's up guys, welcome back to Jesse Does It. As you saw in my last video, we finally got the engine installed and running and driving. So now it's time to kind of finish up some few touches. Today's goal is exhaust. Let's get those long tube headers installed to my X-pipe and all the way out to the Black Widow mufflers and tailpipes. I want this thing sounding mean, but not crazy NASCAR loud like it is right now. So let's see what we got here. I've got the JBA X-pipe, and clearly it's not going to directly bolt up to those long tubes. So I will have to put on new flanges and cut and shape this to size and then weld it all together. So not too bad of a goal, but I think it's gonna be a little bit tricky. So let's get started and see how it turns out, shall we? Welcome to Under My Car. So let's take a look at what we've got. Hopefully we can see, but essentially I need to, basically what I've done here is I've got the back tailpipes lined up with the mufflers, and I'm marking where I'm going to have to cut these. Now this is going to be the first of probably many cuts, but I don't want to cut too much off, because once you cut too much it's hard to put back on. So let's get these flanges put on. And I'll be back after I'm done with that. All right, so I'm happy with where my marks are. We're gonna make 2 initial cuts and then should be able to slide this thing up, tack it in place, and pull it off and fully weld it. So, yay. Okay, so we've made our cuts, and now we're gonna test fit. And we are way off. That's not good. Oh, that is not good. That's not good. So this side is in here, but we are way too short here. So somehow I have to figure out how to make this wider. I probably should buy a new X-pipe, guys. Dang it, I want to get this done today so I can drive it. All right, I'm gonna do some thinking. I'll be right back. Boys and girls, do not do what I am doing. This sucks. I thought I had the right size piping to make this work, but I do not. I have 3-inch piping, so this is a temporary fix. Now people are gonna be like, why'd you do that? Well, guess what? These flash arc headers were never going to line up perfectly with the JBA X-pipe, so I knew eventually I was gonna have to buy a new X-pipe and redo the center of the exhaust. But today, I think I can get this done. And here's what we got. So, it's gonna be some gaps to fill, but I've got the most jerry-rigged piece of crap ever, but that will work, and that lines up with the rest of the exhaust. So I'm gonna tack this all in place, remove it, fill these massive gaps with welds, and put it back together. Again, this is a temporary fix. I will be buying a new X pipe and custom making this midsection properly in the future, but I just want to drive this car, so let's get this going. So I'm waiting on my welder to cool off. For some reason, this welder likes to overheat after long periods of welding. So it has to cool off. And unfortunately, it takes like 10-15 minutes sometimes. But here's where I'm at. It's not as bad as I was expecting. Yes, 3-inch piping sucks, but it'll work. It will work. So yeah, I've got to let the welder cool off, flip the tubes over, finish my welds, then it's install time. So we're getting there. I just am stuck waiting on my welder to cool off. I don't get it, but it's probably because I'm hooked up to 110 and it's just too much draw for it. I don't know. It's a good little Lincoln. It's lasted me like 15 years at this point, but this welding for long periods of time, it does overheat. So, is what it is. See you when we're done welding. Peace. And there we have it, all welded. I sprayed off with the hose, it's all cooled down, so now it's time to install it. Let's go. All right, so it definitely shifted a little bit, but I was able to force her in. Time to tighten all the clamps and show you what it's done. And just like that, we've got it all bolted down. All the tailpipes are even. And let's take a look at it, shall we? Crawl under this car one last time today. So we got the flash arc headers, we've got the collector pipe to the X pipe, to the Black Widows, and out. And the lowest point is definitely the headers. There are the collectors, and then it goes up from there. So, minus the fact that I used 3-inch piping and had to multiple piece it together, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's, I haven't fired it up yet. Let's see how it sounds, shall we? We got to get the hood on. We got to get the exhaust done, which is done. I still have some tuning I want to do, but I think today I'm going to actually drive the car. So yeah, see you in a little bit when we get to fire it up. Let's get this off the jack stands and then we'll fire it up for you, shall we? So while I'm waiting for the wife to come out here and help me put the hood on, let's go ahead and fire it up and see how she sounds. I'll set you in the back and let's see it. Let's see it. Freaking awesome. Listen to that chop. Did you hear that chop? Oh, let's get the hood put on. What do you think, babe?
Probably a bad idea to work out before this.
for the test. Look at that, one-time try. We got her done, guys. Boom. Let's go for a drive. I want to film this better, but right now I'm in a time crunch. So next time I do this soundbite stuff, I'll put a window mount. But for now, you're going in the cup holder and hoping for the best. Back. All right, let's go see how it does. 45 miles an hour or so. Right off the bat, I'm already noticing I got great oil pressure. Also noticing the speedo stopped working for some reason. Probably disconnected that on accident. Guys, this thing is crazy different. Man. Also, the new steering box is much tighter. It's a little bit harder to steer, but we're gonna fix that. So here we go, let's see. Take it back home, make sure there's no leaks, make sure everything's going good, and then I believe I'm going to take it for a drive with the family today. So we shall see how that all goes. But I am super stoked on where we are right now. The exhaust sounds amazing. The engine sounds amazing. I appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, I'm Jesse with Jesse Does It. I hope you enjoyed this build series, because I sure as heck did. Nothing puts a big smile on my face like some horsepower. Till the next project, we'll see you.